In App-eLearn, you're completely in control of theme colours that are applied to your course. So if there's a change to your brand or branding colours, it's quick and easy to apply the new colours to your courses. To make a change, click into Your Course and choose the theme picker. Now scroll to the section you want to change. You'll also notice these information icons. These will help guide you on what parts of the course you're changing. As you can see, you can choose from the colour palette, or if you have a specific colour value, you can type in here also. Okay, I'm now saving the change. In this instance, we've just changed the background banner colour of the menu and page headers throughout the course. Let's preview the course to view this colour change. You can now see the purple theme coming throughout within the course. If you're ready, take some time to explore the power of the theme picker. It'll allow you to customise the look and feel of your course. If you need a custom theme created, visit the My Enhancement section within the main menu area and schedule some support time. If you are wanting to create a course that's completely unique, you can create enhanced customization, such as newspaper or magazine themed template, for example.